Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap. East Longmeadow, local and long-distance movers near me. At 3 Movers, we know how important it is for our customers' move to be successful, so we always try to ensure that we achieve that success. We ensure that everything is done precisely as you want and that your local move to East Longmeadow is successful. When you hire us at 3 Movers, you should know that we have fast and easy access to your current and new locations. We know all the routes around Massachusetts and even the shortcuts, so you don't have to worry about hurdles or delays. Our knowledge of the road network makes it very convenient for your belongings to be transported without any delay. We are very efficient at 3 Movers when doing our jobs and ensuring that everything goes according to plan. We are efficient professionals who ensure your long-distance move goes as seamlessly as planned. We know how to tackle and handle challenges that may arise during the long-distance move. When hiring us, you should relax knowing your move is safe. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our East Longmeadow moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.